Okay, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a wig review. I so-called had myself looking for a pixie cut because I was gonna cut my hair and I don't feel like cutting it right yet. So it's like, we have so many options, why not get a wig? And that's exactly what I did. So I went to Amazon instead of my regular ebony line for my wigs, especially synthetic and human hair. So I went and got a pixie cut, the Sensationnel Anita. My mom's name is Anitra. That is so cute. Without the R, Anita. Pay no mind to me. So if y'all see a fly around here, I've been trying to kill him all day. I can't do nothing about him. Sorry. But this is the Anita Fashion Wig Pixie Cut. It's a 60-second style. So put a wig cap on and put this on. You know, this ain't, I wonder if this is 100% human hair. I don't think it is. No, it's premium fibers, safe up to 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. So this is basically, it's a synthetic blend. So it has like human hair fibers, but it's mostly synthetic. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it up out of this pack. Of course, we know it comes with the card. I got my nails done, by the way. Look at this, so cute. My nail tech she drives to me. I don't go to nail shops anymore. Stopped doing it a long time ago when I saw that people were not worthy of my coin. So I hired a travel nail technician and she is the bomb. So y'all, this is shorter than I normally have my nails. Bear with me, I'm like missing my long nails. All right, so this is the wig and she has 2 combs. So this comes with 2. And I just use both of them like that for the extra security. Now, I don't know if it's gonna lay down flat in the back because my ponytail is thick. All right, so let's go ahead and put the back here. Okay, I like that you can mold this, but I'm feeling like Jocelyn Hernandez up in here. I feel like I look like my mama. I don't have a comb in here, so these hands will have to do. Okay, so let me see if I can tuck this comb. All right. She is cute, y'all. This is cute. I didn't have really too much high hopes. Y'all see the back? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't have too many high hopes for this wig, but baby, she giving what she needs to give. Okay? And I am in love. Whoa. I might just cut my hair off. I just might do it. She giving what she needs to give. Ooh. Okay, so I give this wig, where have I been? I give it a 10 out of 10. Where have I been? This is the Anita wig. It comes in 8 other colors. So these are the other 8 colors. I ain't that bold. I like the black. This is a 1B. This is the 1B. And it's in the jet black. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Look. Oh. This is cute. It's giving me 90s vibes. Oh. I am feeling this. So I'm giving this a 10 out of 10, straight 100, because I did not have high expectations for this. I thought I was gonna look like somebody's grandma, but I look like somebody's fine, rich auntie. And I am feeling this. Y'all, it's been a minute since I did a wig review, and I am genuinely, I am feeling myself. I'm about to put a dress on. I'm about to do myself up and be somebody's rich auntie right now, even though I'm somebody's, you know, fine ass mama. But I'm about to be somebody's rich auntie for a minute. Y'all, go get this wig. I know she been out for a minute. She been out for years, but this is my first time picking her up. I was gonna do the mohawk one, but baby, for what? Why? She is giving what she needs to give. Oh my God. I will not front on you. Then she long face friendly, she round face friendly, she big head friendly. She friendly. Okay? Cop the Anita Sensational Wig if you haven't already. She good for the summertime, boo. I ain't gotta have my hair on my neck. I can have it out of the way, baby. Yes, I am enjoying this, honey. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. The wig speaking for itself. That's enough, boo. That's enough. Now my hair might be sticking out the back a little bit. I'm gonna fix it. But baby, she giving what she needs to give. Y'all, it was on a whim. I was just trying to find something short to do for this hot weather because I'm kind of getting sick of my long wigs. Never get tired of them. I'm kind of getting sick of them right now. So I'm gonna switch back and forth. I might go get the other short hair wig and do a review on that one too. But this one was calling my name because I was like, girl, what's your hair to look like underneath this? But baby, we see. Face card never declining right now because without the makeup, she still is cute. But baby, she's beat right now. This is amazing. I love this, y'all. Like, it's not giving wiggy look. It's not giving overshine. It's giving like literally auntie just went to the salon, got the chop. She did her up and she is living large. What you say, living large and in charge, big boy. Babs is my movie, y'all. This is lit. So, I'm done babbling on it. I say what I needed to say. This wig giving what it needs to give. Go get the Anita Sensational Wig, honey. This was just a whim buy. And now she's a forever family member. Yes, this is one of them gossiping ass auntie wigs. Who? Spill the tea? Say what? It's been fun, it's been real. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.